Good morning students, let's continue our grammar class, that is third grammar class. Yesterday we learned that frame the questions to get underlined words. You have to frame that questions which is the answer. Here underline that in your page number 80. Here see, now next part made to yes or no type questions we already learned. See, was the grandmother happy in the company of sparrows? Answer, yes, she was. So, did you complete your homework? Yes, I did. And these are all we learned in last class. Now we are going to study the answer questions with the yes or no. Questions with the now. Now, answer these questions with answer these questions with yes or no. With yes or no. See here, do you like mangoes? The first one is, do you like mangoes? Do you like mangoes? He are asking questions to a single person. Do you like mangoes? I already told you whether it may be the positive statement will goes to the negative answer or negative statement goes to the positive answer. So here, yes, if you like mangoes, how you are going to write the answer? Yes, I do. The simple answer, yes, put comma here, I do. Full stop. See, do you like mangoes? Simple, yes, that is yes or no type questions. So you have to write first, yes, I do. The next one is, the second one, has the doctor arrived? Has the doctor arrived? How you are going to write this? No, the doctor hasn't. Means here, no, answer, no, comma, he, doctor, whether he may be a male or female, we can write here. So here he hasn't. He hasn't. No need to write arrive. That is a simple understanding. That is understanding. He never arrived in that place. So what will we write here? No, he hasn't. Has is here. Which forms shows? It shows the negative form. See here, hasn't. No, the doctor becomes what here? He. Understood? So these are the two examples for the yes or no type questions. Next we are going to learn some more grammar part, that is the question tag. What is the question tag? You have to tag the questions with the statement. See here, what is that next point? Question tag. Question tags. The next topic, question tag. See here how the question tags means. Question tags are used either as agreement for the seeking of clarifications. So usually positive statement will comes in negative form, and the question tag, when we have to prepare the question, what it is? A question tag consists of positive or negative, as I told you before, auxiliary verbs and the pronouns of the subject. Pronoun of the subject followed by the question grammar. See, here few examples are given here. He is tall. He is tall. See here, he is framing the questions here. For that purpose, we have to put the question tag. Next one is here. He is tired, isn't he? You have a car. You have a car. Sorry. You have a car. How you are going to write it again? How what it comes? Don't you have? Don't you? See? Don't you? See? Don't you? You comes here. Then have is there. So we are going to write here asking a single person. You have a car. For a simple statement, how you are going to write? I have a car. I don't have a car, because it is a negative form. So we have to write here. Don't you? So here few examples are there. Let's learn. Let's write some other examples. See here. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful. It is a beautiful day. So you have to frame this question tag. You have to frame the question tag. How you are going to write? It is. See? It. Why we are see the things, we are using the statements. Things means we have to use it. So here is it is. It is a present tense form. So if we have to make it negative form. So isn't it? Isn't it? We are asking you. Isn't it? It is a beautiful scenery. Isn't it? So we have to write. Isn't it? See? Is there? It is a negative form, and when we change the negative form, so is becomes what? Is not. So how we are going to pronounce it? Isn't? Isn't it? So put the question mark. This is your question tag. Understood? The next one is second one. You have been to Paris. You have been to Paris. So here have is there, that is in positive form. So how we have changed it in negative form? Haven't you? Yes. Haven't you? Don't forget to write your question tag, question mark. If you written here question mark only, that is called a question tag. Here see, you have been to Paris. How you are going to write in negative form? I already told you question tag, when you are making that, you have the positive statement will negative form, then the negative statement will becomes positive form. So here the another example. What? Anu lives here. The film wasn't very good. The film wasn't good. So wasn't it? The film wasn't good. It is asking questions to someone. The film they are saying about that film was not good. So wasn't it? They are asking the same form, wasn't it? So these are the question tags we formed in this class. We learn how to form the questions tag. If the plurals is there, we use aren't or they. We use the they forms, means you have to see the first whether it may be the singular form or plural form. If singular is there, means you should use isn't, or if the plural forms is there, you have to use they or don't they, like that you have to use. Okay, so here in the next class we are going to study some one more next prose, that a question of space. Until, keep watch all online classes and enjoy your classes. Thank you.